What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about some extreme SHIB news and what I think is about to happen with SHIB in the next few weeks, maybe months. I'm about to head to Miami for the Floyd fight, so I have to make this video kind of in a rush, but I wanted to get this news out there for you guys. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe if you love crypto videos and you love money. I post daily crypto tokens here and the best news and the best pretty much everything, right? So subscribe, leave a like, and follow my Instagram if you want to be entered into a $1,500 giveaway. I'm doing that sometime this week. And check out my Discord down below. It's 50% off right now. I extended the sale. Basically, if you struggle finding tokens and you don't know which ones to invest in right now, literally in 15 minutes we're about to call out this insane coin that's probably going to 10-20x. Like, it's just really easy for you guys to make money in this group chat because we have so many like-minded individuals in this chat that know what they're talking about, and they're just snipers, dude. They just snipe out all these great plays. So join up, 50% off for literally just a couple more hours, and then I'm gonna have to cut off the sale. So, and without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I said, huge SHIB news. We've already been listed on a huge exchange, which is crypto.com. We all know that literally skyrocketed the coin. We went like 600%. I think that SHIB is honestly gonna keep repeating the cycle. We're gonna get listed on a couple more big exchanges, and I think Coinbase and Robinhood are gonna come sooner than later, right? And the reason why is because SHIB is like the leader of all these meme coins, right? This is what started everything. This is before Hawk. This is before Elon Sperm, Elon One. It was before everything. This is what started absolutely all these meme coins. And Shiba Inu, the actual dog, is what Doge is based off of. So I think that now that Doge is listed on Coinbase, now that all these other dog coins have been listed everywhere, Doge is pretty much on all big platforms now. I think that we're gonna start seeing reversal, and we're gonna start seeing Shiba get listed on everything else too. And I think this is gonna be a big point for SHIB. We were talking about in the group chat this morning, down below in the description. We were talking about how many X's we think that we could cover, and I think that this is very possible that we'll see possibly I think that we'll see like 20x, easy 20x, dude, because 100x isn't reasonable. That might be over like 10 years maybe. 20x is viable, 10 to 20, I think. So I think that's what's gonna happen. I think Robinhood, Coinbase, and Binance are gonna list SHIB. Unfortunately, Pillow Girl was wrong about the Hawk listing on Binance. Maybe that's coming later in the month, we never know, but it could be big, you know? So just throw a couple $100 in there. Not financial advice, do what you want. I'm just saying, if I were you, I would have a couple $100 just sitting in there, just in case it does 20x, because then you'll have like a couple bands, and who doesn't love free money? So let me know what you guys think. What do you think in the comment section below about this whole thing? Do you think it's going to get listed on these big exchanges? What do you think SHIB's future is? Do you think we're done? Do you think we're just starting? Let me know. And like I said, subscribe to the channel if you're new, leave a like on the video, and follow my Instagram if you want to be entered into that $1,500 giveaway. So I'm about to go to Miami, guys. I'm gonna film a video in the stadium, or I'm gonna try to if it's not too loud. But yeah, there's huge Bitcoin event going down there too. So yeah, check out the paid Discord down below. It's just like I said, for people that struggle finding coins and don't know what to invest in. If you really want to double your money and you want to take this stuff, you might as well subscribe, because it's literally cheap. It's a couple McDouble meals, and you'll make your investment back already. Like it's a very good investment. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.